How to fix YouTube Studio not loading. To fix YouTube Studio not loading, first you could check if your YouTube is experiencing a widespread outage or not. So for that, you could just launch open browser, type in YouTube down Detector. There you go, select the first link that pops up, and this is where you should be able to find whether YouTube is having any sort of issue or not. Next, what you could also do is, if you have issue, you could also go ahead and open up settings on your device first of all. Then you want to go to apps from the list. There you go, and go ahead and select YouTube, and make sure to go ahead and locate storage and cache, and make sure to clear cache as well. Once you've done this, you might also want to make sure to go ahead and check your internet connections. There you just want to go to internet, network and internet, and make sure to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data as well. After which, you could also go ahead and locate apps once again, and why not check your YouTube Studio, right? If you have installed your apps, go to Studio. So here it is. You want to make sure to go to storage and cache and clear cache for that too as well. So this way you should be able to fix YouTube Studio not loading. And with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.